friends, it's Daphne, your smart shopper. Okay, so today's little simple saving hacks to get you off in the weekend to a good start. I was just kind of thinking Mother's Day is not that far away from the around the corner, and also the heat is around the corner too. So body mist is a great way. I don't use any perfume myself because I prefer not to, but I do like to smell good. So I spray a little bit of body mist on me, or if something doesn't smell right, sometimes I use it as a bathroom deodorizer. And so this is a very simple, inexpensive way on how you can make body mist. It takes just a few minutes. Now, the thing that you need to have is you need to have a spray bottle to put your body mist in. I picked this up over at the 99-cent only store. They have a whole bunch of these in stock. So this is pretty cool for 99 cents. And then also, you have to have a supply of essential oils. And if you're ever going to watch my videos, my how-to videos, when it comes to essential oils, I use a lot of it for a lot of how-to stuff. So you want to get your supplies in on that. And I always suggest that you use bulk apothecary. So what you want to do is get a little spray bottle, and you want to pour in, let me point this down here so you guys can see. I'm doing this by myself today. I don't have a shooter. So you want to pour in a cup of water. This is interesting. Into your spray bottle, which I already actually poured some water in. And then of distilled water. And then what you want to do is you want to decide how you want your body mist to smell. So if you want to use lavender, you're going to use some lavender. The light is shooting this. If you want to, there's some lavender right here. If you want to use some orange smell, citrus smell, you can have that. If, it just depends on what you have in terms of your essential oils. I've got lemongrass right here. So you decide what works best for you. So what you want to do is, depending on if you want to do a combination of things, I would use 10 drops per combo. So if you're going to use all lavender, then each droplet is about 10 drops. That's how I've measured it out. So I want to make this kind of a lavender and citrus orange smell. So I'm going to use 1 droplet of that. So it's 10 drops for each to 1 cup of distilled water. And then I'm going to put a little bit of orange. I'm changing out my little droplets here. And we've got 10 drops of orange. And then you want to put the lid on, and we'll use this one right here. Is this going to go in? That's not going to fit in there. This one right here. And then you want to shake it up. And then that's it. You have your own body mist. See? Just like that. So this thing is great as a gift, to give as a gift. People love it because they've got different smells. Smells good if you want to cool off in the summertime. Just add a little mist there. Or like I said, if you want to deodorize something, take away a smell. It's a natural smell. It's not too overbearing. So I will have the full, simple, and easy recipe. Just head over to Smart Shopper Daphne blog. And on a side note, by the way, I'm getting ready to launch my May newsletter. And I'm going to have exclusive deals where I've partnered with businesses that are offering deals just for you, just for signing up. But in order to get those coupon codes and get those discounts, you have to sign up for the newsletter. So head over to smartshopperdaphne.com, and also you get a lot of the content that I do, like recipes like this. Oh, and one other thing too, Final Clearance is having a $5 shoe sale happening right now until Sunday. So their entire inventory of shoes for boys, girls, men and women, $5. Anyways, I appreciate your time. Have a fantastic weekend, and don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.